Overweight and obesity are widespread health issues worldwide, affecting a large number of people. These conditions occur when there is an excessive accumulation of body fat, resulting in various health complications. Additionally, individuals who are overweight often face psychological and social challenges, such as reduced self-confidence and marginalization. However, achieving and maintaining a healthy weight can be a complex process, involving a combination of dietary regimen, physical activity, and lifestyle changes. Biolean is a dietary supplement designed to assist in weight management and promote overall well-being. Biolean is composed of a combination of natural elements, including vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts, aimed at boosting metabolism, increasing energy levels, and reducing appetite. Results may vary, but Biolean supplements are available to assist in achieving your weight loss goals. However, it is essential to ensure that you use them in conjunction with a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. Biolean operates through a comprehensive approach, aiming to support weight control by harnessing the potential benefits of various natural components. The inclusion of ingredients with relaxing and stress-reducing properties is intended to manage unhealthy eating behaviors and weight gain. With a precursor to serotonin, the supplement targets mood regulation, contributing to better weight control by addressing emotional eating patterns. Metabolism is the engine that keeps your body running at full strength. If it's revved up, you burn more calories even at rest. If it's slowed down, you burn fewer calories. The more active your metabolism, the easier it is to lose weight and maintain it. The components of Biolean possess antioxidant properties that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. They align with adiposity-related elements, indirectly aiding in weight control. To see results quickly, set realistic weight loss goals, maintain a balanced diet, and exercise regularly. Understand that supplements complement, rather than replace, a healthy lifestyle. Be patient and persistent, prioritizing overall well-being on your journey to weight management. Where to buy? The most recommended place to purchase the weight loss supplement Biolean is through the official website. This website also offers various buying options and free delivery to the United States. When purchasing in larger quantities, you receive discounts, indicating that buying a multiple pack will be advantageous for you. Thinking about your comfort and well-being, I'm leaving the link to the official website in the first pinned comment. Don't waste time. Start your weight loss journey now.